Well, now what? Well, guys, we got out there alive. Those zombies are insane. Did you see how many of them were there? Yeah, there were so many of them. Ah, and Tony, thanks again for saving us, man. No problem, man. Yeah, I thought you guys needed help, so I just followed you. I still can't believe how you actually managed to follow us. That's crazy. Well, guys, should we move now? We set up this camp. I mean, it's not all we got, but it's half of the thing. Well, guys, we're trying to stay warm. Now, are we? Wait, you hear that? What the? That was the announcer thing. I remember that. Oh crap. Do you think there's Combine here? Not that I see. Nah, I don't think there's any Combine here. Well, guys, let's get a move on now. We have no idea what could be lurking around in here. Mike, there is nothing in here, man. I don't know what I'm telling you. Jake, you don't know anything. Yeah, come on, Jake. Alright, fine. I'm only coming with you guys because I don't want to be alone. Actually, leave me alone. Nah, come on, Jake, we gotta go. Ah. Okay, let me put the fire out. Well, this is not going to be good. There. I put the fire out. Now we can go. Jesus, look how much darker it is in here. You want me to relight it? God damn it, Jake. No, let's just go. Yeah, come on, we can't stop just wasting time because of a stupid fire. I'm pretty sure this is just a replay. Yeah, you're right. Right, I'm gonna go first. Just make sure it's safe. I don't hear anything. Oh god. No, this is gonna get good. What's this? What the hell? What is this? Looks like some piece of metal. That's a piece of metal. That's crazy. Okay. Mike. Hold on, Tony. Whoa. Train. This is what it looks like inside. Whoa, we're inside this train now? Yeah, sure looks like it. Well, I don't see anything here, so... Wait a second. Look at these. What is this? It's like a glass cage. Why would this be here? I don't know. This doesn't really look like a train. This looks like more like a carriage system. Okay, what's happening in here? Yeah, what's going on? It's so dark. Oh, here we go. Okay, Jack, they're leaving us. Oh god, we gotta go. Guys, don't leave us. Yeah, come on, man. What's going on? Alright, bros. Oh god! Oh god! Jesus! Oh god. Nightmare! Ah, oh, great, he's knocking stuff over already. Ah, no, whatever, it doesn't really matter. Is that a security camera? Guys, get over here! Oh crap. No, it's not turning. I don't think it works. Are we good? If it doesn't have a red light, then I think we're good. Yeah, I think we are good. I don't see a red light. Okay, guys, we just gotta go quick. Alright, guys. Take it easy. Oh god, there's a radio in here. And there's a bunch of dolls. And there's a gnome. Naima would like that. Naima, come here! Tony, be quiet! Why do we have to be quiet? We have no idea what's here. Yep. Look up there. Oh my god, is that a gnome? Oh my god, it's a gnome! Look at that gnome. What the? This is like a sniper rifle. You found a sniper? Whoa, this is a sniper. Okay, where are we supposed to be going now? Maybe we go in here. Oh, hey guys. What the hell is this? There's just a crack in the floor. Alright. Okay, let's go with the others. Come on. We are right here. Oh, hey. Oh, look at us. We're all together. Yeah, you bet we are. Where the hell is Mike? Mike, where are you? Oh. There's just a crack in the floor. I was wondering what the hell it was. Jesus, it's dark. I'm gonna have to turn on my light. That's better. Yes, Mike's right. What the? Hello? I hear something. Oh! Oh shit! Oh! What the? What the? Oh! Is that a skeleton? And is that a doll? What the? Alright, guys. What the hell? What's in here? Oh shit. Mike! I don't think we should go alone, bro. Huh. There's nothing in here whatsoever. What is the point? What the? Wait, Mike. Wait, Mike. Huh? There's a sign near this doorway. Now that I'm thinking about it, why is there doorways instead of doors? Where's the doors at? I don't know why there's no doors, but what the? Mike, what? Oh shoot, Mike, get back! Oh god, what is this scientist gonna tell us now? Guys, those are radioactive barrels. You hear that? Ah, shit, you're right. I'm lucky we have you on our team. Thank goodness. Guys? Yeah, what's up? I found a buried bone skeleton. Wait, what? Where? Oh my god, you punched a hole through the ground? Yes, I know, it's pretty weird, isn't it? I have no idea why there's buried bones there. It's pretty weird. There's a... You see that doll? Wait, there's a doll? What the hell? Guys, what's happening? Jack, don't go in there, it's radioactive in there. What? Yeah, I found some barrels and... Okay, now that I'm looking at it more clearly, they are green. Yeah, they are green. Green? What's happening? There's radioactive barrels in that room, so don't go in. Oh, what? Really? Holy crap. I don't know why they're in the blue barrels. Normally they're in like yellow barrels or black barrels. You know, like toxic barrels. I have no idea why they're like that. Alright, well, I'm going this way. Alright. What the hell's in here? Whoa. Jeez. A suit? Oh, this place doesn't look scary or anything. Yeah, this place is totally not scary or anything. Jesus. Look at that hallway. Alright, so... Wait, hold on. Guys, I think we might be able to make it. Hold on. Oh god. Okay, okay. I don't think there's anything back there. Oh, it got to the vent. Shit, I can feel it. Hold on, guys. Oh, shit. Lima's going in a vent. Oh, God. Guys, get in the vent. I think, you know what, I'm gonna go take Jack with Jake. Let's go. Okay. I don't want to be crawling around events now. Okay. I'm gonna go first. What the? What'd you find? Yeah, what'd you find? I'm actually better at crawling fast events other than running. Well, yes, maybe because crawling fast is not that fast at all. You're right. Hold on, guys. Hold on, maybe I can break this. I can squeeze through here, but... Oh wait, hold on, Jack. I'm gonna go check this out. You look for Jake. Okay. Oh, Mike! Oh, what's up? Hold on, I just gotta... Oh, my axe is stuck. My... You good? Yo, you good? Yeah, I'm good. What the... Wait a second. This looks familiar. Wait a minute. That must be a Strider. I remember those things back in the day. Remember what a Strider was, Nightmare? Jack? Oh yeah, I remember the Striders. Ugh. When we were with the other group. Yeah, I have no idea where they went though. They just kind of distance yourselves from us. Well, wait, what's this? Jeez. Oh, sorry. Yeah. What the heck is this now? I actually don't know because I can barely make out what it is. I think it's one of these things in the room. Is it? Actually, I can't tell myself. Where the hell is Jake? Jake! Oh god, Jake's missing now? You know what? I'm not gonna bother. I'm just gonna sit here. Yes, you go find Jake. Oh god, why is there explosive barrels here? Yeah, that's what I wondered. I'm just gonna stay over here. You know what, I'm gonna sit down. Jake! Jake! What the hell is in here? Oh, well, this isn't creepy. Jake? What the hell? Jake. Oh, there you are, Jake. Huh? Oh, hi, Mike. Yeah, where were you? I mean, well, I was going through the hallway. I didn't know you guys were so far behind. Is that a vent? Another vent. Another vent? What do you mean by another vent? Oh yeah, I found another vent. Well, I'm just gonna break it. Yeah, I cannot reach up there. What the hell? I can't even see. What the hell's up there? Hold on, Jake. What do you mean you can't see? Oh, that's why. What? Jake. You're a bit short, you know? Dude, I'm 5'10". What do you mean? Yeah, and I'm 5'11", so what? Okay, I can't see either. Oh wait, maybe we can use this. Ugh. now I can see... Mike? Oh god, Mike? Mike? I see something. Mike? I see something. Mike? There's head crab! Head crab! What? What? Oh shoot! Oh my god. Go! 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 Where is it? Oh shit, there it is. You know what? Gotcha! Did you get it? Did you get it? You really ran out the room? Oh my god. Yeah, I got it. Phew! That would have been a close one. Well, I don't really feel like going farther into this place, so... let's just go back for now. Yeah, you're right. Should we go this way? This way doesn't look that long. Wait, what way? Yeah, sure. What's down here? Jake! Jake! Yeah, yeah. Oh, what the heck? We've got cameras. I knew there was cameras here. Oh, okay. Oh, what about this one? Oh, so the cameras do work. Oh. Wait, I guess no one was here. Turn them off though. Okay, at least we know they work. That's good. You see that? What the? That was beeping. What? See that? Yeah, it's beeping. It's turning red. What the? Why do you think it was beeping? I don't know. Alright. Let's see what... No. Oh my... My finger's caught in the door. Wow, I can't get it out. It hurts so goddamn bad. Oh, Tony! Oh my god! Tony! Tony! Oh! What was that? Ah, shit. Come on, we gotta go. Oh, crap. Oh! Tony! 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 Get up! What's going on? Oh my god! Tony! Quickly, we got to get him on the bed, quickly! Everyone get him, quickly! Come on, Tony! This is it. I got his gun. Tony. Tony. Are you okay, man? Oh, man. Thank you guys. Back to what he had. Go on, Nightmare. Shit. Shit. Yeah. Okay. Don't worry, Tony, I'll get it soon, don't worry. Mike? Is Tony gonna be okay? Tony! Tony! I'm sorry. Sorry for everything I did. It's okay. It's okay. Jake, in another world, we're still alive and kicking zombie ass together. Even when I'm gone, buddy, you'll always be in my heart. I'm so sorry, son. I really am. What did it come out as, Nightmare? Don't tell me he's infected. There has to be a chance he's not infected. He has sepsis. What? What? And sepsis? He has sepsis? He has sepsis. What? We'll all meet together again. Goodbye, Tony. I miss you. Goodbye, bro. I wish you so, Tony. You were a great guy. I loved you with every bit I met you with. We will all meet again one day. Goodbye. Well, that's it. He's dead. I wish we didn't come here. Hey, Jack. It's not Mike's fault. Are you sure? You guys don't have to be sad. This is my fault. Mike. What? No, it's no one's fault. Oh, come on, guys. We gotta find an exit to this place. The way we came from caved in, so we have to go. Well... Ah, Mike. I say we go this way first. What's this? Huh. Nothing seems to be in this room. I can't believe we're leaving Tony. Wait, what does this do? Well, I hope it didn't cause anything. Great. I think Mike went this way. Mike? Yeah, hold on. What's down here? What the? Huh. It's locked. What the? This looks like the way we came in from. This place looks abandoned. Never been somewhere so freaky before. Ladder. Mike! Oh, crap. Mike. I think we found the right way, Mike. Where the hell is Mike? I don't understand this. Mike! Mike, we need to go back this way. This way? Oh. Oh. What the? Ooh. Oh, it's getting creepy here. Oh! 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 Where did I just... Oh. Well, that event led to nowhere. Well, I'm lucky you tested it for us. You're welcome. I guess we go find Mike. Yeah? Wait. Is that a door? Oh, there's a button. Maybe it opens the door. Ah! I can't see! Oh god! They're attacking! They turned off the lights! Ah! Oh, never mind! Oh. I thought we just opened one hand. Guys! I found a room. Ugh! Jack! The door closed. Jack! Jack! What the? What's this doing on the floor? Jack, where are you? Yes, Jack, where are you? Wait, guys, there's a button! Don't press it! Oh. Never mind. Nothing seems to be in here. All these rooms are just empty. Yeah, I don't really get this room too much. There's nothing really in here. What the hell is everyone? Oh. Guys, we're supposed to be looking for Mike. Oh. What the hell? Nightmare, we're all in this cool room. Oh, come join us. Oh. What is even in here? Wait. This is like a signal. Oh, there's no use of doing it. Whoa. Yeah, I can't even see the end of that. What the... Okay, yeah. I don't think we're alone. Wait a minute. Oh, this looks like an elevator. What the? Ladder. What's this? It won't open. Maybe if I just... There we go. Now, holy crap. So, is that a arm bone? What the? Oh my god! Oh my god! There's bones everywhere. There's leg bones, arm. Is that? Is that? Oh my god! It's a whole entire rib cage and spine and skull. Whoa! Wait a minute. Missing the jaw. The skeleton's missing its. Holy crap! Wait a minute. That's Bob's van. Is it? Ugh. That's his van. What's that doing here? Oh yeah. I have to go back to the others. There's nothing in this elevator, is there? It doesn't look like it. Aw. Oh, it's a map. You are here. You are here. This looks like some blueprints of a map. You're here. But where am I supposed to go? What's that big area, right there? Maybe I should go there. Or where is there? Oh, it's here. Why won't this open? What's this? Huh. I can't seem to open it. Whatever. I should probably find the others. Oh god. Guys. Crap, where are they? Wait, what the? What's this? Huh? Oh my! Let him in! Whoa. What the hell's this? We found this little room. Yeah, so we decided to stay here. Huh. You know what? While you guys are chit-chatting, I'm just gonna try to put all these back. There. Okay. Well, guys, I kind of found some rooms that we should go check out. They might be important. We found rooms? What? Wait, so... Where were you? Oh, you know. I was just rummaging. Oh, I did it. I was just rummaging through the place. I couldn't find anything, so I came back here. I did it! Let's go! Good job. So you're rummaging through the place? Yeah. Okay, guys, let's just go now. We might need to rummage some more. Okay. Door closed. Well, I'm gonna go back in there now. Oh, there's a vent, guys. Oh god, here we go again. Wait, guys, this must be a sign. Look. There's crates. I think we have to push the crate over to the vent. Seth, that's actually genius. Oh, that's something I would think of. Oh. Oh. Okay. This might be the way, guys. Oh, well, that's scary. Come on, guys. Oh god, here we go. Oh god, what is this? Well, we're in a vent. Damn. Oh, Tony was with us. Damn. I already miss him. What are we even gonna do without Tony, guys? Listen, when we go back to the forest place, we have to tell everybody. They'll understand. Okay. At least we have more people. It's not just us. I keep forgetting. We just have more people. I'm going first, guys. Oh, that's the other room. Guys, I think we might be going back to the other place. Wow. Wait, do we need to even go back? Oh, wait. I just remembered something. Vent. What the? What was that? Hello? Hello? What the hell? Okay, I'm not going to question that. Oh, guys, we have to go back. What? Why? I saw a wall. It was glowing. What? You saw a what? I saw a wall. It was glowing. Ah, great. Thank God we have to go through the vents. You saw a wall? Yeah, a wall. It was glowing. It was glowing? Could that be the exit? I think it is. A glowing wall? Oh yeah, that's definitely another sign. I think this sign right here was just to help us out. But this is even bigger sign. Come on guys, let's go. Okay, where exactly was it? Oh, it was this way, this way. He's going fast. Come on, guys. Wait for me. Why was I pushed around over here? I cannot wait to see his glowing wall. Okay. There it is. You mean that wall? Yeah, that's the wall. Seth, what do you mean? That's the wall. It's not glowing at all. Well, maybe try touching it. It was glowing when I saw it. You must be hallucinating. What the? It's hollow. What? You know what? Move out my way. Ugh. Well, are you gonna shoot it? No. I haven't used this since I've got it, so... You know, Mike, when you got that from the hotel, I really thought you were gonna kill us with it. Oh no, I found it after I killed Paul. I'm regretting that, by the way, but I guess I was just like that. Okay, so do we stand back or do we just... Aha! There's another brick wall. Holy crap. So it wasn't hollow. I mean, I just broke down a wall, but I can't turn back now. Holy shit. You were right. I told you so. Huh. What the hell? There's a whole entire tunnel down there. Well... I guess Seth was right, huh? Jesus. Okay, this is not what I was expecting, but alright. Oh god. Tony would be cracking jokes right now. I know. What the hell? There's an empty jail cell. What? Why does this look so familiar? Oh, this does look familiar. What the? Oh. What? You found something that looks familiar to you guys? Oh, it's a staircase. How does this look familiar to you? It's perfectly the height of us. Perfect height. I almost banged my head off it. What are you talking about? Same here. Well, we might be the same height, Nightmare, but my head's longer than yours, so... okay, so we appear to be in a staircase room. I didn't like the sound of that. I'm just gonna go first for once. I'm tired of just being scared all the time. Screw this. My brother's dead. My other brother's dead. I'm not dealing with this anymore. Guys, Jack went first. Do you think he's actually had enough with life? What? Enough with life? What, is it because Tony just died? I mean, that shattered me as well, but look where we are. No, it's not a crying match, guys. If I fell over and died, you would be in charge, Nightmare. I have a feeling that if you died, he would put either me or Jack in charge. Yeah. Oh, so I never get to be in charge? Oh, whatever. Jack? Oh, there you are. Oh, hey. So, what the hell? What is this padding for? Well, this kind of scares me, doesn't it? Curry. Oh. Curry? Curry. 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 Watch out for Curry. They will come for you. You have to warn the others. Seth? Oh! I'm coming. Oh. Seth, I was getting kind of worried. You weren't coming up. Oh. Oh, good. Alright. Now, what the hell is over here? Guys, this door. Yes. You found a door in this dingy place? Hey, this place does actually look dingy. Even though I just call random stuff dingy, this place actually earns the dingy award. Is there anything over... Wooden stairs? I'm sorry, what? Wooden stairs in this place? No way. What the... am I in the upside down one or you? What the hell? Oh, hell no. Did these people glue furniture to the seat? Oh. I guess they didn't, because this is the ceiling. And that's the floor. What the hell? What's going on in this room? I'm surprised it hasn't fell. You seen this, Jack? There's wooden stairs. Let me see this. Why? Why is there wooden stairs? Yes, I wanted to see. Oh my god. Let me see. Wow. Why would there be wooden stairs in this place? I don't know, it's pretty random, but I'm going up them. This place just is so random. Like, what the hell is this? Have we entered like a damn community? What the hell is that thing? That looks like it's from the ancient times. Oh god. Yes, I think we should just get up the stairs and don't worry about anything. I'm going all the way up. What the? What the hell is this? I'm just gonna go with Jake for once. Wait, Jake, what the hell's... That just looks silly to me. What the hell is that? It's just silly. Look at it. Oh, what the hell? I didn't even know there was an upstairs up there. Oh. A helicopter. Wait. A helicopter looks familiar. Come on, Jack, I ain't going until you go. You going this way? Yeah, I guess. Doesn't open. Ah. What's down here? Oh, it's caved off. Great. Did you find anything? No. Okay, I guess we should just go this way. What the hell? What the hell is this? That's what we were wondering. Huh? Yo, what's up down there? I know, I'm just up here. Okay, you know what? I'm coming down. You know, guys, we didn't actually have to waste any bullets tonight. Actually, we have to wait. What? What do you mean? Wait, guys. You know how you just said tonight, Mike? Yeah. I don't think it's nighttime, actually. What? What day is it? Wait, do you know the day? Actually, I do. I've been counting. I'm pretty sure it's May. Huh. We're in May. Wow. How did we manage to leave April that quickly? I don't know. Keep counting the days, Nightmare. Because I don't want to get lost in this place. Will do, Mike, will do. Okay, so I guess we'll just go this way. Smooth wall. Nope, nothing in here, just a desk. Alright, guys, nothing here. Where could the exit be, I wonder? I just remembered something. What? You did? You know the way we came in, right? Yeah, we came through a cave entrance and then it caved in, and we couldn't go back. Well, you want us to dig through it? No. I think I saw a flight of stairs that actually lead to the outside. I think we went deeper in. Are you kidding me? And you didn't remind yourself? Well, I couldn't. You guys were already walking away and I didn't want to be rude. It's okay. Well, now we know where to go. So, let's go back. Alright, everyone stick together. Because we're gonna have to go back. Nightmare, you wanna read the way? Yeah, sure. Okay, come on guys, let's all get in here. Back downstairs we go. Come on guys. Okay, down the stairs, come on, we're almost there. And we made it back here. Alright. What the? Oh, it's just this way, right? It's actually, we're almost there, actually. Hello? Who is this? I've been waiting for you. Oh. What is that a gun? Listen, Seth. I need you to listen. What is crush? What is crush? It's a soda or an energy drink. And you see that gun right there? Yeah. Well, that gun can bring you back to life if you put it in your pocket. Just don't take it out. So you're telling me it's a cursed gun? If you don't want the soda, just throw it back. I'm good. Alright. Take the gun. You probably didn't want the soda anyways, because it would keep you alive, but the side effects are crazy. I got Jimbo pants on, so the gun is completely hidden. Nice. I'll see you. Ever. Ugh. Okay. I think that thing's finally gone. So this gun will bring me back to life? That sounds kind of Christianized. Alright, come on guys. Oh god. Alright. Tony. Tony? Shit. Well, can do one last goodbye, can't we? Whoa. Did you guys see that? The hat fell off. You know, I just want to have one more look at him. Take your time, Jack. You don't need all day. Oh god. Yeah, they have to be waiting for me. Oh guys, you're here. Oh god, where were you? Sorry, I was lacking behind. Seth, you never lack behind. You're always with us 24/7. I know, but it was just something. I know. Alright, well. Alright guys, let's go now. Alright, Jack's done guys. And goodbye my son. You know what? On the head. But I've always done that. One last hug, brother. Goodbye. Oh, goodbye. You fought a great life, you brave soul. Alright. This way. Was it? We're here. Okay, where is the staircase? Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. Yes. Oh, finally. And there it is. Wait, what the hell? What happened here? What the hell? Oh. This wasn't like this. Oh yeah, I did that. I dug this up earlier. Me and Tony were looking at it. Crap. Well guys, get out of this place. And please may the exit be up here. Please, it has to. I know it is. Look. Damn, more stairs? How deep were we? Well, we came out of a cave, so we might have been pretty deep. Why did we even go the cave way, Mike? It was the only way. The alleyway was blocked off. We didn't go that way. Mike! What? Yes! You think the truck's out there? Yeah, it's probably parked all the way. It's probably parked like back a few feet. I think if we go and take a right, we'll find the truck. Can't believe we found it. It's all boarded off though. Wait, no, Jake, don't get your hopes up too soon. We can get through that easily. I'm so happy we're actually going to escape this nightmare. Yeah, me too. Oh, I was talking about the literal nightmare? Oh, sorry. Did we squeeze through there? You know what, since I'm kind of the smallest, yeah. Yep. Oh, I think the truck might be over that wall. Oh, you think so? Oh, there's a skeleton on that car. Ugh. Wow. Is it raining? What's these droplets I'm seeing? Might be raining. Oh my god. We're on the surface. Oh. You feel that fresh air? Fresh air. You made it, Mike. Good job to all of you making it out alive. Okay, let's go. Might be over this way. Oh, I think the truck's over here. Come on, guys. It is? Okay. Hey, get back here. You know, guys, we make a really good team. Yeah, we do. The truck turns from the left, remember that? Goodbye, scary place. We won't miss you at all.